Excel scatter chart with labels. I have 3 columns of data. Column 1 has a short description, column 2 has a benefit number, and column 3 has a cost. I can create a cost/benefit scatter chart, but what I want is to be able to have each point in the scatter chart be labeled with the description. I don't care if you can see it on the chart or you have to roll over the point to see the description.
At first, I thought you could accomplish this with a bait and switch, make a plot of the data first, then edit the series. Doesn't work though. This works if and only if the numbers in column B are whole numbers. The Excel chart isn't really using any of the data in column B anymore. The only way I have been able to reliably do this in the past is to make every row of data its own data series. Painful, but if you want to see it in action, I have an example Excel file.
You could use this add-in, this URL.
There's another free utility and tutorial on how to create it, available for download here. This URL.
The wiseowl.co.uk utility worked for me. As a tutorial, I would recommend downloading this Excel worksheet from part 5 of this blog and enabling macros. This URL? Move the button down and out of the way of your data if you have more than a few columns. Paste your data in on top of the film data. Create scatter plots by selecting 2 columns at a time and insert scatter plot. Clicking on the button, which will add labels. Easy. Thanks to the folks that made it and recommended it.
If you want support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.